Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will be reviewing an app called WeAre8. It is an app that is very simple to earn, and all you do is view adverts and answer questions about it. This is my balance. As you can see, there is some money pending. I will be showing you how to earn on the app. The download link is in the description. As you can see here, it will notify you when you get paid, and that there are new adverts to view and answer. So to earn, you click the yellow, the one that there is a red one on it. Now you will be taken to this website. Here you click bring it on to start earning. You earn 6p and only 1p goes to charity. Now let the advert run. Now click let's answer some questions. Here you can put random answers, but if it's the same advert, then you can answer with the same answers. Congrats, you now know how to earn money on this app. So it's that simple. Now you can go back to the app and wait till there is another advert to be watched. As you can see, I got a few more pence pending from that advert. Here see it's pending, and once it's completed it will credit you to your balance. Sorry guys, I got messed up because of the numbers won't automatically go to the next line, so I had to click the lines and then enter the number. It does have a fee, but not expensive, so I will get 98 back if I cash out. To cash out, son, click apply credit now. Nice, I have now withdrew my balance, and it will come in 3-5 days. I will let you guys know if I received it.